students, so welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the exercise 8.4 of chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry of Class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 3 says we need to evaluate. It is having two parts. So let us start evaluating the first part firstly. So in the first part it is being given that sine square 63 degrees plus sine square 27 degrees upon cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees is to be evaluated. Okay. So here we will be replacing the 27 degrees by 90 minus 63 degrees. Okay. If we subtract 63 from 90, then we will be getting 27. So the 27 will be replaced by 90 minus 63. Okay. And in the denominator, this 17 will be replaced by 90 minus 73 degrees. Okay. So if we subtract the 73 from 90, then we will be getting 17 degrees. So this only will be applying in the first step of this question. Okay. So let us write down. So now it will become sine square 63 degrees plus sine square 90 minus 63 degrees. Okay. Upon cos square 90 minus 73 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. Okay. So now here we have got a form of sine 90 minus theta. So we already know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta will be equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay. Okay. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine square 90 minus theta will be cos square theta. So it will be converted to cos square. Okay. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta will be sine theta. So cos square 90 minus theta will be equal to sine square. So it will be converted to the form sine square. So from here we will be getting sine square 63 degrees plus cos square, our theta over here is 63, cos square 63 degrees upon sine square 73 degrees. Here our theta is 73, here our theta is 73. So sine square 73 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. Okay. So now we need to apply the trigonometric identities. What are trigonometric identities? The equations involving the trigonometric ratios of the trigonometry are known as trigonometric identities. So basically we are having three trigonometric identities. So what are those? Let us jot down. The first trigonometric identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. The second trigonometric identity is 1 plus cot square theta will be equal to cosec square theta. And the third trigonometric identity is 1 plus tan square theta will be equal to sec square theta. So these are the trigonometric identities. These are named as trigonometric identities. Okay. So here sine square theta plus cos square theta, theta is 63 degrees. Both the theta should be same. So both the angles should be same in the sine and cos identity. Okay, in the ratio, the sine and cos ratios, the theta should be same. So both in the numerator, both the angles are 63 degrees. So we can easily replace with this identity the first identity. So let us also mark it. So using first identity. So using the first identity, we can say sine square 63 degrees plus cos square 63 degrees is equal to 1. Okay, so in the numerator we have got 1. In the denominator also we will be getting 1, because the denominator also both the angles are same, but the angles are 73 degrees, they are not equal to 63. So in the denominator both the angles are 73 degrees. So in the denominator also the value becomes 1. So ultimately we got the answer as 1. Okay, so in this manner we need to proceed such type of questions. Okay, so now let us start with the second part of the third question. Second part of the third question also we need to evaluate. We have been given sine 25, cos 65 plus cos 25 and sine 65. So we will be replacing from here 65 we will be writing as 90 minus 25. Okay, here also we will be replacing 65 only. So ultimately we will be getting sine 25 will be keeping as it is, then cos 90 minus 25 it will become, because we will be replacing 65 by 90 minus 25. If we subtract 25 from 90 we will be getting 65 only. Okay, so and over here we will be keeping cos 25 to be as it is and replacing this sine 65, which will be 90 minus 25, which will be 90 minus 25. Okay, now here we got cos 90 minus 25 will be equal to sine cos 90 minus 25 is the form of cos 90 minus theta, so it will be equal to sine theta, so it will be equal to sine 25. Okay, and similarly over here sine 90 minus 25, sine 90 minus 25 will be equal to cos 25, will be equal to cos 25, because sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, so let us replace the values. So from here we will be getting sine 25, it is already being there, and also cos 90 minus 25 is replaced by sine 25. Okay, plus cos 25 is already there, sine 90 minus 25 is again replaced by cos 25. Okay, so sine theta into sine theta, it becomes sine square 25. Over here cos theta into cos theta, it becomes cos square theta, that is cos square 25. Okay, now here one thing to be noticeable is that the angle is same, and when the angle is same then we can apply the trigonometric identities. When the angles are same then only we can apply the trigonometric identities. Okay, if the angle is not same we cannot apply. Okay, if instead of this 25 any of the 25 degrees the angle would have been changed, then we cannot apply our identities. Okay, there the identities are not applicable. Okay, so here we will be applying the first identity. So using first trigonometric identity, so using first trigonometric identity, sine square 25 plus cos square 25 will be equal to 1, will be equal to 1, and that is our answer. Okay, so in this manner we need to proceed such type of questions. So in the examination, in your test and all series, test series, all the angles will be changed. So you need to replace in such a manner that both the sine and cos are getting the same value of the angle, degree angle should be same. Then only the identities are being applicable. Okay. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.